We're making a gooey chocolate banana cake, and we're gonna do it upside down style, which means we can cut up some bananas, put it in the bottom of the pan, and then when you invert it, the bananas are gonna be on top. It's gonna look super cool.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We're gonna start with a sweet topping. So, come in with butter. We're gonna come in with some brown sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, some salt. We're also gonna add 2 packets of honey from the package drawer. This is gonna be that dark brown, sugary, syrupy, amazing top. Once it's melted, you can kill the heat. These are our showcase bananas, so we definitely want nice ones. So basically, I'm cutting into thirds the long way. So we're gonna start with our buttery, sugary topping. I've got some parchment paper in here, so it inverts nicely. All right, get our bananas in. So it's really important that we put the cut side down because that's what's gonna be the top. Beautiful. We're gonna set this aside while we make the cake batter. All right, we're gonna start with our dry ingredients first. Got some flour here. Coming in with baking powder, baking soda. Coming in with salt, mixing our flour, our baking soda, our baking powder, our salt. Setting this aside, boom. Wet ingredients, and we're gonna start with bananas. Banana. The Banana Masher 7500 Bronze Edition. If you got a more ripe banana, this is the perfect time because they're gonna get all mashed up. Adding granulated sugar, adding brown sugar, melted butter, milk. We're gonna put in 1 egg. All right, so we mix that up. Wet ingredients are looking good. Let's add our dry to our wet, bringing it together. It's time to pour the batter. Here we go. Very nice. Okay. So we're gonna dollop our hot chocolate fudge right onto the cake like this. And that way, can have all kinds of really nice looking swirls. Each bite's a little different, some more chocolatey than others. So now we're just gonna take a knife. And listen, we don't wanna go all the way to the bottom because we'll disturb the banana. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. It's time to throw this into the oven and we're gonna bake it until a toothpick comes out nice and clean. Man, look at this thing, super impressive. We got all these chocolate swirls and everything, but wait, this is the bottom of the cake, but now's the perfect time to invert this. So it's as simple as 1 hand on the bottom, 1 hand on top, and whoop, just like that. Yes! And we've got that amazing caramelized, buttery, sugary topping that we started with. The bananas are laid out in a beautiful manner, and it definitely looks gooey and delicious, does it not? We're cutting a slice. Here we go. So I'm gonna be very gentle. Oh, this is so much cooler than banana bread. Sorry, banana bread. You're just not cool anymore. All right, look at that. This is super exciting. Look at it, it's ooey gooey. It looks impressive, and it's only 61 cents a serving. Let's dig in. Here we go. I'm gonna come right here on the front. You can see those chocolate swirls. They're amazing. Summon the jester. Prepare the white elephants. Get the doves ready. King Banana is entering the room. This is how banana cake / bread should be made every single time. First of all, you've got layers of flavor as you're biting through it. This sweet and fatty, sugary topping with pieces of whole banana. Then you've got the ooey gooey center. We dolloped bits of chocolate, swirled it around, so one bite has a little more chocolate than the other bite. And I like that because I like every bite to be a little bit different. This banana recipe absolutely takes the cake.